Norco is a dairy cooperative that was established in 1895. We have over 200 active milk suppliers that are all 100% Australian-owned farmers. We had to get Wi-Fi into areas of the factory that we've never had Wi-Fi. We needed it online real time. We're manufacturing 24 hours a day. The ultimate aim with the Wi-Fi that we've put into the factory is to become a paperless environment. The staff have actually got tablets that they're walking around with, and they're actually scanning SSCC labels, which then links back to our SAP environment so that we can then trace every pallet of finished goods that leaves Norco. One of the most challenging things for the implementation of the Aruba gear was the physical environment that we work in. We also have the freezer room, which is a -25-degree room, which you can only be in for 15 minutes before having to exit that area. A lot of the factory also has a lot of stainless steel, a lot of glass, which affects Wi-Fi signals.
In the Norco environment here, we chose an Aruba outdoor device, and that's so that they can be totally sealed and allow Norco to wash them down every day. In the freezer, we had to use different type of equipment. We could only install antennas, and then the access points are mounted outside the freezer enclosure so that they don't have to operate in -25 degrees Celsius.
So basically, from a plant maintenance point of view, the staff are spending more time working on breakdowns, preventative maintenance to keep the factory running efficiently, instead of hours spent walking in and out of a factory, getting changed to get the next work order. As a food manufacturer, we have a lot of regulations, both federally, state, as well as from our customers. When they come in, they need to be able to access information quickly and accurately. Now that we are no longer running on a paper environment and it's all digitalised, it's made the process a lot more faster and efficient. Not complying or failing a customer's audit, it could jeopardise a contract.
As the systems integrator, we see different points of view at Norco. We talk to Sandra and we get her point of view and why she implemented this project. We also see the staff members on the production floors, in the freezer and in the offices. And something we've noticed is that the staff especially have found this transition making their life a lot easier. This gives them more accurate information. Compliance to regulatory and also client demands around health and cleanliness is a major issue for them, and implementing this system has significantly diminished the risks in operating a business in this space.